Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I'm here to talk about my Quilting Life block of the month. And every month I release a new pattern, PDF download for free with blocks in 3 different sizes, 6-inch, 12-inch, and 18-inch. And so today I'm going to be talking about the June blocks and giving you all the tips and tricks. Okay, so this month's block is made up entirely of half square triangles, but you have 3 different types of half square triangles that you'll make. You'll make your darker fabric with the light half square triangle, your medium fabric with the light half square triangle, and then you'll also make some half square triangles with the dark and the medium fabrics combined. It's just really a fun pinwheel block in the center, and if you notice, the medium prints make a star design. So this is just a super fun block. I went a little bit more muted when I made my 12-inch block and used a little bit more contrast when I did the 6-inch block. I haven't made my 18-inch block yet, but those are all in red and blue fabrics, and so there's plenty of contrast in those. I did want to show you a couple of tips for making this block. So for the 6-inch block, I did go ahead and use the Primitive Gatherings triangle paper, 1.5-inch finished. And you can make 8 of these from a charm square with the sheets in this pack. She sells it in larger sheets where you can use anything for it, but I just love these charm square sheets because it's so easy for me to grab a 5-inch square and to make these half square triangles. I did go ahead, I usually press my half square triangles open, but because of using the paper, I actually did press all of these to the dark. And so to eliminate the bulk where the seams met, I pressed the seams between the rows open. I did one direction, one direction, one direction, one direction on the rows, but these seams between the rows, I pressed open to eliminate some of the bulk. Now when I made my 12-inch block, and I'll probably do the same thing when I make the 18-inch block, I just made my half square triangles a little bit bigger, trimmed them down using my fit to be quarter ruler. I have another video you can watch where I kind of demonstrate how easy and efficient this ruler is. I know there are a lot of different rulers on the market, and so you can use your favorite one. But the reason I like this one is because you trim your half square triangles before you press them. So I feel like that saves a little bit of time. So you can see on the back of that one, I actually pressed all of those seams open because I didn't use the paper. But I still pressed the seams between the rows open to eliminate bulk. These are just really fun blocks. We're about halfway through. These are our 6th set. And so we have 6 more blocks to go, and I'm going to start working on the setting options and get that out to you soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have all of the information that you need in the description below, so you can go to my blog and download the June patterns, and then so you can also go and find access to the previous months if you haven't yet joined in. It's not too late to join in. I'll also have links to the tools that I mentioned in today's video so that you can find those easily. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks so much for stopping by.